and they were working like hell. I mean, I was getting 20 plus calls in a day.
Oh, that's excellent.
या
Yes,
एंड आई
yes.
वाज लाइक, मैं समीक्षा को एक टाइम के बाद ऐसे बोल रही थी, समीक्षा आई एम सो टायर्ड, मुझे भी कॉल्स नहीं रिसीव करने हैं, बहुत कॉल्स आ चुके हैं. बट शी इज लाइक कि अभी इतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं पड़ेगा, no? That's a good problem.
राइट
See,
राइट
there
राइट
are people out there who are waiting, they go to any other company, that company promises some dreams, and then they pay like what, 5-10 lakhs for international job placement. They're sitting there, there's no job, there's no interviews as such. So that is a bad problem. So the problem that we had is a good problem. So इतने सारे interviews है, कहाँ जाना है, किसको priority देना है, किसको answer करना है. So always we should differentiate between a bad problem and a good problem. So good thing about your particular profile is we had good problems.
या
Anyway, membership is something ups and downs होते रहते हैं. At the end of the day, आपको जो अभी position मिला है, that is something we are really really happy for, right?
एक्चुअली
तो आपको मैं belated congratulations बोलना चाहती हूँ from the bottom of my heart, because see, it's not just transactional at the end of the day. It's not about just the money that you've paid to the company. More than that, at the end of the day, अगर आप खुश हो, कल को let's say 2-3 years down the lane, if you know somebody, we are 100% sure that you will give us the reference.
then I got selected and it was like कि आपको पहले 3 हफ्ते हमारे साथ ट्रेनिंग करना है and we'll assign you the client.
Got it. Got
Yeah,
it. That's
so the
good.
clients are very big. I mean, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, and Walmart, and McDonald's, and more Deutsche Bank. More the clients are there. So
Right.
24th, my training will get over, and I'll assign to the client.
Okay, that's excellent to know actually. It is a big company per se. And if you are working in any big company like this, it is pretty much expected कि आपको international clients, or even if it's pan-Indian clients, the clients are going to be of very high credible profile. So क्या होता है, at some point of time in your career, Divya, you have to understand that there are certain things beyond money. CTC is a great thing, obviously, but आपको सीखने मिल रहा है कुछ. You're understanding how to interact with these clients. You're building your own network. So kal ko 2 to 3 years down the lane, you will never be in a position where you doubt yourself whether or not I can handle this company. So no company or no interviewer, irrespective of the fame profile or the wealth profile or the corporate hierarchy profile, आपको कोई intimidate नहीं कर सकता, because you know where you stand and you know what value you bring to the table. So accept this as a learning process. CTC is something, it's obviously our aim from the very beginning, which we have already achieved. Again, congratulations for that. But journey to abhi start hui hai aapki, right?
Yeah.
So we want you to like give your best in your current job, and I think that's about it.